What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Milady Memecoin fam, I am back with another video for you guys. Currently right now, Milady is looking pretty good, right? Had a nice move up on the 7-day, up 2x, 100% move, right? And it looks like it's ready to start coiling up again after a bit of a cool off, right? So right now we're sitting at $22.7 million in market cap, $9.8 million in 24-hour trade volume. If you take a look at some of the biggest replies on CMC, ladies, imagine if all the Pepe family put their Pepe money into Milady, and this has 33 likes and 22 upvotes. That is very bullish, man. From Bullrun 23, from Crypto Hoarder, I'm bullish on ladies. This must be all the Pepe holders who now put their faith in ladies. That's the narrative that people are spinning, man. That Pepe holders are starting to buy ladies, and I wouldn't be surprised. I really wouldn't be surprised after all the controversy that Pepe has gone through in the recent days, right? I don't know if I said this, but if you hold ladies, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. Always remember, I'm not a financial advisor, right? You should always manage your risk before you invest in crypto. Floki for life. Ladies holders and everyone watching, look at my post. I told you to load up. Still not too late. Only the beginning. Let's go. Crypto Crypt. Imagine if Binance and Coinbase list ladies on Monday. Binance listing could happen very soon, but man, I'm telling you, you never know. This ladies instrumental coming soon. Yeah, I'll make it go viral. I'll drop the link when I finish it. And the community is active, and you know, similar to how we saw like videos of, you know, in Pepe where the community was dropping like songs and stuff like that. Community active here, man. Very active. Crypto Crypt, Sonic Boom is coming for ladies. KRSH, all Pepe's money has gone to ladies after the collapse. Soon we'll see the loss of 2 zeros. Are the Pepe holders selling their Pepe to buy ladies? I wouldn't, like I said, I wouldn't be shocked by that. Pepe had a lot of controversy, and they still got $10 million worth that they could dump on the open market, man. Right? They still got $10 million worth that they could dump on the open market from that, you know, were meant for centralized exchange listings. Mr. Sheeb, I am ladies rich again. The Black Swan, let's eat 1-0 this week for ladies. 10 hearts on that. Ivan Taro, I'm bullish on ladies. Again, H_A, ladies is a unique meme. I agree with that. Out of all the meme coins in the space right now, ladies is very unique, right? Again, my thesis still stands. I'm gonna say it every video. Could be the project where women of Web3, you know, the women of Web3 find a meme coin that they could represent themselves with, right? Just like, you know, when you even in my demographics on YouTube, the majority of my viewers are men. I'll be honest with you guys. Majority are male viewers. The majority of people in crypto are more than likely male participants, right? But, you know, the ladies meme coin could have a huge spark in the, you know, community of women that are part of Web3, part of crypto. This could be the meme coin that the women, you know, all get together and be like, we're gonna send ladies. You never know, man. Ladies, I'm bullish on ladies. Got that rocket ship going. From RW once again, I'm bullish on ladies, man. So the community is still very active. I just noticed that the Telegram is still open as well. I didn't notice I was banned on my other account, but the Telegram is still open. 69,000 members in the Telegram. We took a look at Etherscan in the previous video, and you can see there's always engagement here. People are always talking in the Telegram. So there's a community still here, man, and that's really what it takes for a meme coin to be successful. The community, right? 15,606 holders in ladies, right? 15,606 holders in ladies. And when I took I randomly noticed this because I never really sat down and took a look at the Etherscan. 40% of the supply of ladies is in the exchange's holdings, right? Crypto.com and Gate.io are the biggest holders of ladies, which is great for wallet distribution. So imagine there's a huge influx of retail investors that come into ladies, right? Just buying off of crypto. That's why I say Crypto.com, big deal for the next bull cycle. When because again, like I said, guys, there's a ton of people that aren't gonna be so, you know, into crypto like we are, that know about MetaMask, Trust Wallet, none of that, and it's gonna be a lot of headache for them. So they're just gonna be buying on Crypto.com, right? That's the only place they're probably gonna be buying. And when there's another like 80 million users on Crypto.com right now, that number may double or triple going into the next bull cycle. And a lot of projects on these tier 1 exchanges, because they're easier to buy, more convenient and simpler for people to buy, will send, right? Will skyrocket, right? Same with the meme coins on these centralized exchanges, like tier 1 centralized exchanges like Crypto.com. So you're more than likely gonna see an explosion in Shiba. This is the wallet, by the way, $1 billion. This is more than likely Crypto.com's wallet again, but it doesn't have the name Crypto.com like the second wallet has. This is Etherscan. So this wallet has $1 billion. The second biggest holding is Shiba after Ethereum, right? You're probably gonna see Shiba go crazy. All of these project coins right here, obviously not the stable coins, but like Dogelon, Matic, Chainlink, Gala, Quant. A lot of people are bullish on Quant. The first place new retail is gonna go is the centralized exchanges. And look at this. What is this? Their like 10th asset. Their 10th asset that's not a stable coin is Milady, right? They got Pepe, they got Bone, Decentraland Sand, right? This is their 10th biggest asset, bigger than projects like Engine, which is a great AI project, great gaming project, Pendle, Fetch, Seller, Loopring, all great projects. And they got more holdings of Milady. You know, like, they know retail likes meme coins, man. They know it. I'm telling you guys. You know, look at this. Render, like, they ain't got that. They got more Milady than Render. They know something, man. God, you know, I'm obviously I'm just speculating, but they know something, because this is 2 wallets, right? 2 exchange wallets, and I think the first one is Crypto.com. This is also Crypto.com, another Crypto.com wallet, $416 million net worth. And look at right here, Milady, you know, above projects like Render, even Jasmine here, right? Got a nice bag of Jasmine, VRA, right? Quant, they're bullish on Quant, that's for sure. They bullish on Quant. They got Quant in the top. Gala, Matic. So yeah, guys, I think that's, my thesis is gonna stand, and we're gonna see as time plays out. I know I'm kind of rambling in these videos. I was just kind of shocked at what I discovered. But you probably, you might just see a lot of the Pepe whales move over to Milady, man. And again, when the new cycle starts or goes into full effect, this is a new meme coin that's on Crypto.com. Again, Crypto.com doesn't have much meme coins, and it's in the probably top 4 or top 5 meme coins on Crypto.com. So when the new retail starts to get into the space, right, and they're looking for a meme coin to buy, I think ladies could do something crazy, man. I think ladies could do something crazy. You see, their engagement is still there on X. Just a goddess bestows blessings, ladies open the gates to a world of opportunities. Still very nice engagement. Phoenix, top gainers of the week, and you can see right here, ladies against projects like Omi and Rollbit, Jewel, right, moving up. Jim Loftus, ladies up big. Millionaire Maker, get you 10 billion, get you $1 billion or more, 10 billion. That's the same target that I think you should have, right? General Shiba Inu and Dogelon Mars holder, 4,000 followers. The buy the dip is time after today's rally. Milady Memecoin is on the dip before the next run up. This meme is so inexpensive and we are in so early. Milady has 7.0, so that means there's still potential for massive gains like today's 30% rise. And I'm saying, a lot of the Dogelon Mars holders as well could be buying ladies. I see, you know, the Dogelon Mars investors, the Pepe and Dogelon Mars investors could be buying ladies, man. Look at this right here. He's a general of Dogelon Mars, and he's bullish on ladies, right? Hicks V, ladies short again. Top is here, not financial advice. Trading the project. A lot of people trading, you know. It's an open market, so you know it's cool if you trade as well. Ballarama, woo, ladies to the moon. Go my ladies, go. The best meme coin in the year. That's what I'm saying. Came out this year. Never saw a bull run, you know, compared to previous projects, man. But there's a statistic that shows out of the top performing projects in the last bull market, only 2 of them have saw a previous bull market. All the others were brand new out of like 100 or so, right? And again, meme coins included, right? Because Shiba didn't go crazy by itself in the last bull market. We saw Shiba, Kishu, Feg, Akita, Dogelon, Hoj, Saitama. Many meme coins went crazy in the last bull market that were out around the same time as Shiba, or came out a little bit after. That was just sideways, and then huge explosion happened to all of them, right? Dogelon, for example. You never know if the same thing could happen here for ladies. So that's why I got some exposure to it. Obviously, nothing I say is financial advice, guys, and I'm gonna keep updating you guys on the project as well. Could Pepe whales and Dogelon Mars whales be buying ladies? I think so. You know, they got way more upside, way better price discovery. Never saw a bull market, right? And again, because of the recent controversy with Pepe, I wouldn't be surprised if, you know, some of them are selling, you know, some of the whales or some of the people, even smaller investors are selling their Pepe to get into ladies, man. That's probably why we saw that move up as well too. Because when Pepe was crashing, ladies started to pump, right? That probably could explain it, man. So guys, if you hold a project, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything ladies and myself will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really appreciate all the support. You guys are awesome. Share the video with your friends and family. Let's get to 10,000 views on this one. I'll catch you in the next video.